Hi, today we're going to be looking at the SUREWAY Wedge mock toe work shoe. I'm sorry, boots. They're steel toe boots. Made in the USA. It's really good feeling shoe for work. Thick rubber sole. It's oil and slip resistant. Steel toe. This is a size 11. It's 100% leather. They have memory insoles. I can't really see in there, but it's cushiony in there, and it looks like you get an extra pair too. SUREWAY arch support. You can tell by looking at this. It's the arch support in these. Perfect. These are super nice heavy work boots. My husband's gonna love these. I hope I gave you enough information about this product. I really like it. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.